Bumby for YouTube Kids here, and guess what? Today, Lily's gonna have a little trip with two, what's it called again?
Fidget spinners.
Fidget spinners. Now we're going to do this. So, we got Lily here. Here's one spinning. Okay. And I can just... two spinning at the time, two balancing.
Thank you.
And then should we bring it over here?
It's rather fragile.
Let's go over there, yeah?
Two on the table?
On the table. I wonder if we can... Look, I wonder if we can balance this. Oh. Oh! I've never done this before. I did not plan. Let's try something then. Okay.
Number 11 is always starred. That's because that hides a very nice prize.
Ah! Oh. Wow. Did it.
Tonight's number 11 public. Courtesy of icelolly.com.
Lily, if you want a lolly, Benny, if you want a lolly, upstairs.
Yes. Oh, okay. Look, they both started at the same time. Oh, look! That's awesome. Oh, wow. Fidget spinners! If you like this video, don't forget to press subscribe and give a like. And say bye, subscribe and give a like. Do you know Lily's trick? Say, tick a bell. Tick a bell. Oh, that's what. Tick a bell. And put the and turn the notifications on. Okay. Tick a bell. Tick a bell. Tick a bell. If you like this.